and welcome to today's video. I'm filming a study with me. As always, I wanted this to be a productive, positive video. It's a Wednesday, it's my only day off. I've designated Wednesdays to be my study uni working days. And it's already 10 to 11 and I'm just getting started. It hasn't been the best of mornings. It's been a little bit stressy. I'm just going to move past it. I'm going to ignore it and forget about it for now. It kind of prevented me from doing any work up until now. There isn't a lot that I actually need to get done. I wrote it all out here, but I need to do work for Mondays and Tuesdays and Fridays class. Some of it is reading, some of it is lecture notes because I have one lecture, and the rest is group work. Like, it's not a lot, I just don't know how long it's going to take me. So the first task I'm going to do is Monday's task, and that is notes. And it's not a lot really, it's just a couple definitions. Ignore this is very messy. And this won't take long because it's just a page of definitions. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Okay, now I've moved on to developmental diagnosis class, and it's 12:45, so that took half an hour. I realistically have 2 hours to get some work done, so I'm really hoping I do most of it. But I want to write up some of these reading notes that I made because some of them are interesting. It's about diagnosis, like the process of diagnosing the development of a child. Then I have some class notes and examples related to the reading, so I want to write up these as well. And I give myself 45 minutes for that. I didn't finish the reading because there was a lot, but I plan on going to the library tomorrow morning to find the book that I need for this. Hopefully I can finish that there tomorrow. That's what I'm about to do now. Okay, just a quick update. Finished typing up the notes that I have. Just some of the readings. I didn't finish the readings, you can see. Noted down what book I need and where I can find it. So I can do that tomorrow. And then the task was, there were different scenarios when you might diagnose a child, and I just wrote in like what kind of diagnosis you would use. That can be ticked off my to-do list. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the lecture notes because I have a lot of notes to like understand. A lot of them are just like basic things that I don't know. Like, I've had this professor before in first year and I failed his test, so I'm a little bit concerned, but it will be fine. It's just his exams are very specific and sometimes it just literally is word for word from the presentation. So I try to copy word for word in this, but sometimes he goes by way too fast and I don't catch anything, and he's not going to send us the PowerPoint, so this is going to be a lot of fun. But what I'm going to do is put all of this onto Quizlet, which is what I did in first year, and that was helpful. So yeah, I probably will end up writing these up, but not until some other time because I don't know. For now, I'll just leave them on here. I might print them out actually, so I don't know. I got another coffee and I put cinnamon, so I'm hoping it tastes nice. And it is so windy today, but it's so sunny and so warm, so I think later I will go for a bike ride. Hello, so I never finished a study with me. I'm filming this on a completely different day. From what I remember, I had my master's seminar, and I'll talk about that in a different video where I talk about my master's progress and process. That's going to be a separate kind of couple videos about that. So I'll talk about that in that video, but I'm a little bit confused on what to do, so I did not enjoy that class. Then I was supposed to have a group meeting about a group work. I forgot. I had a really bad headache and I wasn't feeling well. It also wasn't a good day mentally. and I'm not trying to make excuses, but I genuinely forgot. My mind was occupied with all these other things, so I feel really bad about that. I missed it, and I didn't even message the group that they don't like resent me for it. They're in my class and I'm already antisocial, so I hope that they don't think that like I don't care about anything, because I do, and I wanted to help on this group work. I just wasn't feeling well physically and mentally, so I just forgot, and I feel really bad with that. So yeah, that was my day. I didn't do anything past that seminar, so I hope you enjoyed that video. It wasn't the best of days, but I did manage to get some work done, so that was good. And yeah, I will see you in my other future videos.